Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about yogic management of polycystic ovary syndrome. This hormonal disorder affects more than 5 to 10% ladies at the puberty age. Women who are diagnosed PCOS experiences reproductive, psychological and hormonal imbalances, leading to decrease in the level of estrogen and progesterone, which are female hormones. They also have increased level of androgen or testosterone, which is male hormones. Normally, in each monthly cycle, one of the follicles in the ovaries grows and ripens to deliver the egg called as ovum. This ovulation process is stimulated by bodily hormones. Due to hormonal imbalance in PCOS, sometimes these follicles do not release egg. When the egg do not mature properly, ovulation does not occur. So one does not menstruate regularly. There are many immature follicles in the ovaries which release male hormones. These immature follicles are called as cysts. Well, the exact cause of PCOS is not known. What is known is that ovaries produce abnormally high level of androgen. This excess androgen or male hormone production has been linked to 4 conditions. 1. Genes. Studies show that PCOS runs in families. Many genes will contribute to this condition. Second, insulin resistance. Up to 70% of women with PCOS have insulin resistance, which means that their cells cannot use insulin properly. And obesity is the major cause of insulin resistance. Third, inflammation. Increased levels of inflammation in the body leads to higher androgen level. Being overweight also contributes to inflammation. Fourth, lifestyle and psychological conditions. PCOS is also linked with stress, modern faulty lifestyle, anxiety and depression. Now let us turn to the symptoms of PCOS. The common symptoms include irregular period, heavy bleeding, weight gain, male pattern baldness, hair growth on face and body, and acne on areas like face, chest and upper back. There could also be further complication of PCOS, which includes infertility, obesity, obstructive sleep apnea, endometrial cancer, anxiety and depression. However, be assured that early diagnosis and treatment along with weight loss may reduce the risk of long-term complications. This is where yogic management plays a key role. Yoga reduces stress and improves hormonal imbalances, thus leading to a regulation of menstrual cycle. The improvement in lifestyle helps in weight management and reduces complications. This is achieved by following 4 important lifestyle pillars: Ahar, Vihar, Achar and Vichar. The first pillar is Ahar, diet and nutrition. First, let us see which food to take. Sattvic food is the best, which helps keeping calm and balance. Eat food which do not cause spike in blood pressure. These include whole grain, legumes, fresh vegetables and fruits like apples, berries, peaches, plums and oranges. Eat high fibrous food which slows the digestion of sugar in the body. So automatically person's blood sugar is controlled. Consume protein-rich food to keep insulin level in check. Have anti-inflammatory foods like tomatoes, spinach, strawberries and turmeric. Soya is a natural source of estrogen. Hence, include soy-rich food like tofu, soybeans, soy nuggets in your diet. Drink several glasses of water to avoid dehydration. Now, the foods to avoid are all tamasic foods like starchy and sugary food and refined carbohydrate, which causes spike in insulin level. This includes chips, biscuits, sweetened juices, baked goods, among many other things. Avoid drugs, tobacco, alcohol, and caffeinated beverages. To remain healthy, person should be careful as to what he is putting things into his system. So be little alert about what you eat and you'll definitely improve. The second pillar for yogic management is vihar. Here, walking, rest and recreation. Take regular walk and do outdoor activities to manage weight loss. Devote some time every day for some hobby to reduce stress level. Active hobbies like dancing, gardening, swimming and playing games like badminton, tennis helps in reduction of weight. Socialize with positive and like-minded people. Read good books which would boost your inner strength. Practice techniques like Makarasana, Dradhasana, Nishpandha to relax and remove anxiety. However, Shavasana should be avoided if person is suffering from depression. Get sufficient amount of sleep to help your body to heal. Next we come to Achar, everyday routines, activities. Take timely meals, be productive and be busy and take enough rest. Take hip bath on a regular basis by sitting in a tub of water when you go for your bath. Practice dynamic asana such as Hastpadasana, Chakrasana, Utkatasana, Chakki Chalasana, Bhujangasana, Naukasana, Dhanurasana, Supta Vakrasana, Ardha Vatsendrasana and Setu Bandh Asana. Also practice static asanas like Supta Bhadrasana, Paryankasana, Matsyasana, Viprit Karni and Malasana with Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is performed by contracting and relaxing the anal and genital muscles. Do Surya Namaskar as per your capacity. Remember, all these asanas should be practiced while keeping other health-related limitations or contradictions in mind. So, take the guidance of the yoga teacher. Practice pranayam such as Shunyaka, Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, Ujjayi and Bhastrika. Learn the Jalneti Kriya and do it regularly to keep your mind in a calm and balanced state. Vaman Dhoti once in a month also helps to lose toxins and reduce excess weight. Learn Agnisar Kriya, which is good in the ailments like constipation, diabetes and obesity. Practice meditations and mudras like Yoni Mudra and Yoga Mudra to keep the mind calm. In the end, we come to Vichar, thought processes. Understand, you can manage PCOS, but for that you have to manage your anxiety, worry or depression with a help of a counselor. Due to increase in testosterone, the desire for sexual pleasure increases. Hence, it is important to engage the mind in selfless activities rather than intellectualizing. One should keep oneself busy in learning new skills. Write 10 positive points every day in the diary regularly. Read the scriptures for better understanding of life. Adopt a philosophical outlook towards life to develop acceptance and a faith in higher reality. Diligently practicing these 4 pillars, Ahar, Vihar, Achar and Vichar, we help you to manage this PCOS naturally. These will slowly and unconsciously become your habit, and this would slowly help you to see that you become healthier, better, and you really learn to enjoy life very joyfully, very successfully. So take care. Namaskar.